Start. Okay. Good morning to all. Before class, we are discussing about the solving of the limit in algebraical limits in two ways. First one, substitution method. Substitution method means what is that? You can go for the directly substitution. Second one is factorization method. Factorization means what is that? When the limit is in the form of 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity or any indeterminate form, then we are going to fractionation, that means factorization to the given limit. Yesterday we solved two questions. Now today also you are going to solve some questions are there. Say now see the question. Limit x tends to 1, 2 by 1 minus x square plus 1 by x minus 1. Limit x tends to 1, 2 by 1 minus x square plus 1 by x minus 1. First, what you need to do? Directly substitution. Directly go for the substitution. Write down the question again. What is the given? Limit x tends to 1, 2 by 1 minus x square by 1 by x minus 1. Go for the directly substitution. What happened? It is 2 by 1 minus 1 means 2 by 0 plus 1 by 0, that is infinity plus infinity. It is also a indeterminate form. It is also a indeterminate form. So you must be do any other methods to simplify it. First of all, take the common, otherwise take the minus common from this one. See, I can written like this is limit x tends to 1, 1 by x minus 1 minus 2 by x square minus 1. It is possible now, because see it is x minus 1, from here minus I can take in the common, so minus going to the outside, it become the plus and it will become the minus. This minus go to the numerator, that means 1 minus. Again it can be written as limit x tends to 1, 1 by x minus 1 minus 2 by, it is a square minus b square formula apply, x minus 1 into x plus 1. 1 by x minus 1 minus 2 by x minus 1 into x plus 1. Now go for the LCM. Limit x tends to 1. From these two of the LCM is x minus 1 into x plus 1. So first of all x minus 1 can be cancelled and the remaining term is x plus 1. It can be multiplied to the 1. Finally you can get it x plus 1. Again I am repeat. X minus 1, x minus 1, x plus 1, LCM is x minus 1 into x plus 1. Not x minus 1 into x plus 1, because these two are the common factor. So here x minus 1 you can be divided means if x minus 1 is cancelled and the remaining term is x plus 1, it is multiplied to the 1. So x plus 1 minus, it is the completely term is divided by this one. Finally you getting 1. 1 into 2 is 2. So what you get is limit x tends to 1, x plus 1 minus 2 is x minus 1 by x minus 1 into x plus 1. So this x minus 1 cancel. Now you are going to substitution 1 by 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. This is the answer. This is also one of the method of this one. What is that? Factorization method. See, I did the factorization and cancel the common term, common factor. What is the common factor? You see, x tends to 1 means x minus 1 is the common factor. So x minus 1 can be cancelled. Suppose x tends to 2 means, that means x minus 2 is the common factor. So x minus 2 can be cancelled. So like that you need to cancel it. What the tends to depend. This is the second method. The first one is substitution. First one is directly substitution method, and second one is factorization method. This is the second method, factorization method questions. Again, remaining some questions are there. I can sending the PDF file and you can be solve it. Now we are going to discuss in the third method. Before going to that was just clarify the question. What are you given? Limit x tends to 1, 2 by 1 minus x square plus 1 by x minus 1. If you substitution the x is equal to 1, that is 2 by 0 plus 1 by 0. It is infinity plus infinity. Sir, infinity plus infinity not to infinity. It never be possible. Summation of the infinity plus infinity possible not. So it is an indeterminate form. If indeterminate form coming means you need to simplify the any other method. So first of all I am going to this method. From here I taken the common minus. So 1 by x minus 1 minus 2 by x square minus 1. So again next step is a square minus b square, a minus b into a plus b. After that I taken the LCM. Finally cancel the term which is containing x minus 1. And after that was see in numerator you getting the number 1. So it is never be possible for the indeterminate form. So 1 by 1 plus 1 is 2. This is the method of simplify of this second method. And third one, what is the third one is I said that was rationalization method. Rationalization method. Generally this method can be using when the numerator or denominator is containing the, what is that? So what happened that it can be C, rationalization method. Rationalization method means what is that? Porimeya karo. According to the your Odia language that means porimeya karo edukoche. When the rationalization, if the numerator and denominator are both containing the square roots, then you are going to rationalization the both numerator and denominator when it is the square root is containing. After that was using the formula simplify it. Say what is the meaning of that was? First of all rationalization means what is that? Again same process. First of all go to the directly method. If you substitution the value of the directly substitution it, while you substitution getting any indeterminate form, then first method is factorization. It is possible or not. If it is the containing the numerator and denominator any square roots, then you can go for the rationalization. Any square roots, then you can go for the rationalization. Now see, I written the question is there. Limit x tends to 0 root over 2 plus x minus root 2 by x. Root over 2 plus x minus root 2 by x is there. This is the question. Okay. See, in this question, numerator having square roots. Numerator having square roots. So, for simplification, first of all, random solution. Limit x tends to 0 root over 2 plus x minus root 2 by x. Go for the first directly substitution. I put the 0 here. Means what happened? Root 2 minus root 2 by 0. That is 0 by 0. It is indeterminate form. It is indeterminate form. Now we need to go for what is the factorization. It is never possible of any factorization system. So now you are going to the rationalization. What is the rationalization? Limit x tends to 0 root over 2 plus x minus root 2 by x into root over 2 plus x. See, rationalization means here minus means you need to multiply with plus in you did the in your lower classes like 9th and 10th. So by root over 2 plus x plus root 2. Got it? Now limit x tends to 0. In the numerator you see it is a minus b into a plus b. Here a is root over 2 plus x, b is root 2. So a minus b into a plus b, it can be formation of a square minus b square. So root over 2 plus x whole square minus root 2 whole square whole by x into root over 2 plus x plus root 2. So what happened is root and this square can be both cancelled. So limit x tends to 0, 2 plus x minus 2 by root over 2 plus x plus root 2. 2 plus x minus 2 by root over 2 plus x plus 2. Now you go for the cancellation of 2. Now substitution go 0 by root 2 plus 0 plus root 2. That is 0 by 2 root 2. 0 by anything is 0. 0 by limit value you can getting the 0. It is possible. You are getting the value of limit 0 is also possible and infinity is also possible. But what happened that was don't be in indeterminate form, means 0 by 0, infinity by infinity, infinity into infinity, infinity minus infinity, infinity plus infinite, 1 to the power of infinite. These all are the indeterminate form. If this form means you need to simplify. Here 0 is also nothing to worry about that was. This is the rationalization method. You just observe the board carefully. Okay, this is the rationalization method. It is in the third one. If you are getting means we can solve another one problem is there. Okay. Limit x tends to 4 x square minus 16 whole divided by root over x square plus 9 minus 5. Root over x square plus 5 minus 5. This 5 is coming to the outside of the root. Okay. In before question, the square root is containing to the numerator. And this question, the square root is containing to the denominator. Okay, the same process, everything is the same like that was. First of all, go to the directly substitution. Limit x tends to 4 x square minus 16 by root over x square plus 9 minus 5. Go for the substitution. 4 means 4 square means 16 minus 16. 4 means root over 25 minus 5. That is 0 by 0, indeterminate form. So, root is there in the denominator. Go for the rationalization. Limit x tends to 4 x square minus 16 by root over x square plus 9 minus 5 into root over x square plus 9 plus 5 by root over x square plus 9 plus 5. Okay, so limit x tends to 4 x square minus 16 into root over x square plus 9 plus 5 by a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. So root over x square plus 9 whole square minus 5 whole square. So limit x tends to 4 x square minus 16 into root over x square plus 9 plus 5 by this root and square can be cancelled. X square plus 9 minus 5 square means 25. So what happened, it is there. Limit x tends to 4 x square minus 16 into root over x square plus 9 plus 5 by x square 9 minus 12 16. So this x square 16 cancel. Now go for this substitution. Root over 4 square plus 9 plus 5. That is root over 4 square plus 5 means it is 5. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. This is the rationalization system. Okay, this is the second method of the rationalization system. What you did in the before question, you did and solve the rationalization square root having in numerator, and this question you are solving the square root in denominator. Say what is the same process. First of all, directly substitution. If it is possible, write on the limit. If it is not possible, then go for any one of the method. By observation only, it is clear that was the denominator is having square root, so it is must be a rationalization method. So what is the meaning of the rationalization? Rationalization means you need to multiply with opposite sign. In denominator, it is having root over x square plus 9 minus 5. So the opposite sign of this one is plus 5. So I can multiply with root over x square plus 9 plus 5 by root over x square plus 9 plus 5. So in numerator, x square minus 16 into x square plus 9 plus 5, and denominator a minus b into a plus b. Here a is root over x square plus 9 and b is equal to 5. A minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. So root over x square plus 9 whole square minus 5 square. This root and square can be cancelled, and that means x square plus 9. 5 square means 25. 9 plus 9 minus 25. Minus number is big, so minus 16. So x square minus 16 and x square minus 16 cancel on the both side. And now you will go to substitution. Root over 4 square plus 9 plus 5. 4 square means 16 plus 9, 25. Root 25 is 5 plus 5. This is the second one. Okay, then you are going to discuss in the another question. Limit x tends to 4, 3 minus root over 5 plus x by 1 minus root over 5 minus x. Limit x tends to 4, 3 minus root over 5 plus x by 1 minus root over 5 plus x. Here just observe the clause. The square root is having in numerator as well as in denominator. The square root is having numerator and as well as in denominator. So here you need to do the rationalization to the both numerator and denominator. Numerator and denominator. So go for the solution. Limit x tends to 4, 3 minus root over 5 plus x by 1 minus root over 5 minus x. If you substitution 4 means 3 minus 3 by 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0 by 0 is indeterminate form. Now rationalization. Limit x tends to 4, 3 minus root over 5 plus x by 1 minus root over 5 minus x. First of all, rationalization the denominator as well as in numerator. How what you need to find, you can do it. I can go for the numerator first. So 3 plus root over 5 plus x by 3 plus root over 5 plus x. So it is limit x tends to 4. I can written directly a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, that is 3 square minus 5 plus x by 1 minus root over 5 minus x into 3 plus root over 5 plus x. So what I meant is limit x tends to 4. 3 square 9s minus 5 means it is 4 minus x. Write on the plus term in again root of 3 plus 5 plus x into 1 minus root over 5 minus x. Now you need to numerator rationalization. 1 plus root over 5 minus x by 1 plus root over 5 minus x. 1 plus root over 5 minus x by 1 plus root over 5 minus x. So limit x tends to 4, 4 minus x into 1 plus root over 5 minus x by 3 plus root over 5 plus x into, it is a square minus b square, 1 minus 5 minus x, 1 minus 5 minus x. So the what is the next step is I can written here, limit x tends to 4, 4 minus x into 1 plus root over 5 minus x by 3 plus root over 5 plus x into 1 minus 5 is minus 4, minus a minus plus, that means x minus 4. So here x minus 4, 4 minus x cancel, in numerator is minus 1. Now directly substitution, minus 1 into 1 plus root over 5 minus 4 by 3 plus root over 5 plus 4. That is equal to minus in everything is minus, that is 1 plus 1 minus of 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 3. That is minus 2 by 9, minus 2 by 6. Minus 2 by 6 is equal to minus 1 by 3. This is the next method, next concept is which is having the square root in numerator and denominator. What you did, first of all, I can be rationalization to the numerator, after that rationalization to the denominator. Now sir, again I need to do that as rationalization to the denominator first. You can go for it, nothing to worry about that. If the question is having the square rooting in both numerator and denominator, as usual for algebra, which is you can be go for the rationalization to the first numerator or denominator. You can go for this one. This is the next question is there. See, just go to the question again carefully. What you did, you just observe. First of all, limit x tends to 4, 3 minus root over 5 plus x by 1 minus root over 5 minus x. Directly substitution. I can substitution means it is 0 by 0 in determinant form. Now I rationalization to the numerator. Here minus is there, so multiply with plus. Because both are cancelled, means 1 into multiply anything is nothing to change. A minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Square root can be cancelled. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Minus into plus is equal to minus. Again this is the term. Now I rationalization to the this one plus with. So 4 minus x into this is 3 plus 1, and again a minus will get to a square minus b square. Next step is 1 minus of minus plus x minus 4. So 4 minus x into this is x minus 4. Both are cancelled. See, it is the opposite sign, so the both cancel means minus is remaining. Directly go for the substitution. You can get in the answer of minus 1 by 3. This is the third method of substitution method. This is the third substitution method. Okay. Now you are going to discuss in the next method. See. Next one, using some standard formula. Using some standard formula. Using of some standard formula. What is the formula means? Say, limit x tends to a, x power of n minus a power of n by x minus a is equal to n into a to the power of n minus 1. Very most important formula which is in related to the algebraical summation. Say, non-algebraical limits you can be using the lot of the formula, but in algebraical limits you can using only this one for only. What is the formula? Limit x tends to a, x power of n minus a power of n by x minus a is equal to n into a to the power of n minus 1. So how this formula coming means, you just go through the proof, very easy proof, no need of the proof, but you need to understand it. X square minus a square can be written as x minus a into x plus a. Similarly, x cube minus a cube, how can you write? X minus a into x square one power can be less in, that means x into a plus a square. X square cube means 1 less, and x powers can be decreasing and a powers can be increasing. Similarly, you can write down x power of 4 minus a power of 4 means x minus a into decreasing x cube. Next what is that? X square into a. Next x into a square plus x can be nothing then a cube. Okay. So again I can written 5c. X power of 5 minus a power of 5. How can you write? X minus a into x power of 4 plus x cube into a plus x square into a square plus x into a cube plus a power of 4. Similarly, I can written x power of n minus a power of n. How you can write? X minus a into x power of 1 less n minus 1 plus x power of n minus 2 into a plus x power of n minus 3 into a square up to so on. The last term is a power of n minus 1. Again I repeated, see just carefully. X square minus a square, you know that a minus b into a plus b. A cube minus b cube, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. A power of 4 minus b power 4 is a minus b into a cube plus a square b plus ab square plus b cube. Similarly, you return. Take this term to this side. X power of n minus a power of n by x minus a is equal to x power of n minus 1 plus x power of n minus 2 into a plus x power of n minus 3 into a square up to so on plus a power of n minus 1. Now apply the limit x tends to a, x power of n minus a power of n by x minus a is equal to limit x tends to a, x power of n minus 1 plus x power of n minus 2 into a plus x power of n minus 3 into a square up to so on a power of n minus 1. Go for the directly substitution. If you substitution in the place of x a power of n minus 1 plus a power of n minus 2 into a power of n minus 3 into a square up to so on a power of n minus 1. See, here the bases are same, means power can be adding. N minus 2 plus 1 is n minus 1, n minus 3 plus 2 is n minus 1, that is a power of n minus 1 plus a power of n minus 1 up to so on a power of n minus 1. How many times you can return? It is n times. N times you can return. So the answer is n into a power of n minus 1. Why means 2 plus 2 plus 2, 2 you can be written 3 times, 3 into 2 that is 6. Suppose 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, 4 times you return, that means 4 into 3, that is 12. Similarly, a power of n minus 1, a power of n minus 1, you return the n times, so n into a power of n minus 1. Very easiest to prove, no need of the proof, but you try to understanding the terms. So I can explaining this, proof this one. So what happened that was, what is that? This is the algebraical proof. Using of this proof, some problems are there. We will go to the discussing the problems. Say, if the problem is given, limit x tends to 2, x power of 5 minus 32 by x minus 2. X power of 5 minus 32 by x minus 2. Limit x tends to 2, x power of 5 minus 32 by x minus 2. You can go for the directly substitution. 2 power of 5 means 32 minus 32 by 2 minus 2, 0 by 0, indeterminate form. So I can return like this is limit x tends to 2, x power of 5 minus 2 power of 5 by x minus 2. It is in the form of limit x tends to a, x power of n minus a power of n by x minus a. Here a is equal to 2, n is equal to 5. So what is the formula? N into a power of n minus 1. That is 5 into 2 power of 5 minus 1. That is 5 into 2 power of 4. That is 5 into 16 is equal to 80. You can write up the like this. This is the next formula of that was limit extends to x power of 5 minus 32 by x minus 2. So x power of 5 minus 32 means 2 power of 5 by x minus 2. Again a power of n, this is the before formula, you can be derive the rest. Like this you can be simplify the questions. Next, from that one you related another one formula is limit extends to a x power of m minus a power of m by x power of n minus a power of n is equal to m by n into a power of m minus n. So how it is came means limit extends to a x power of m minus a power of m by x power of n minus a power of n can be written as limit extends to a x power of m minus a power of m by x minus a by x power of n minus a power of n by x minus a. After using of this above formula, the before formula, where is that? It is m into a power of m minus 1 and denominator n into a power of n minus 1. So that is m by n in this power going to the numerator, m minus 1 minus n plus 1 plus 1 minus 1 cancel, m by n into a power of m minus n. This is the formula. Using of this formula, you have some problems are there. Just we are going to simplify, that's our problem. Limit extends to 3 x power of 4 minus 81 by x square minus 9. Limit extends to 3 x power of 4 minus 81 by x square minus 9. So limit extends to 3 x power of 4 minus 81 by x square minus 9. Substitution 3 power of 4 means 81 minus 81 by 9 minus 1. 0 by 0 indeterminate form. Now you go for this formula. Limit extends to 3 x power of 4 minus 3 power of 4 by x square minus 3 square. X power of 4 minus 3 power of 4 by x. Like this is the coming. It is in the form of limit extends to a x power of m minus a power of m by x power of n minus a power of n. Here m is equal to 4, n is equal to 2, a is equal to 3. What is the formula? M by n into a power of m minus n, that is 4 by 2 into 3 power of 4 minus 2, that is 2 into 3 square, that is 2 into 9 is equal to 18. This is the fourth one. So after this one you have another one method is infinite limits. That is the algebraic limit will be complete. So today what you discussing? Today you are discussing the problem related to the rationalization system and this formula. Rationalization system and this formula. Before class you discussing the problem about to the factorization and directly method. First of all you go for the directly method. If it is not possible, then any common term is there, you can be cancellation by using the factor method. If it is containing the square roots, then go for the rationalization method. If it is in the form of this one, using this formula of limit extends to n a minus a power of n by x minus a is equal to n into a power of n minus 1, n into a power of n minus 1. Otherwise this formula, using of these two formula, you can be simplify the questions. Again I can sending the PDF files related to this one to the your group, then you can solve, simplify it, write on the notes and do these all problems carefully. Okay, thank you.